Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you? How are you?
I'm okay. I'll just finish working usually. Yeah.
Thanks for joining with us. So please explain your explain your business system. What do you need from us?
Okay, normally so meanwhile, our projects are located in Laos. I'm not sure if you know Laos or not. Laos is located in near Thai and Cambodia and Vietnam. So we have we doing NGO project that as well.
Is this your website?
Yeah.
Yes, I have seen your website. This is very professional website. So maybe you are looking for a social media manager. So who can manage your Facebook page and Instagram, right?
Yeah, that's what we're looking for because we really don't have a lot of team, sorry. We don't have a lot of team, and for sure because today we all yeah. Any question you can ask me.
Yes, what platform do you have?
The platform, the website, we have Jimdo, and this is our website.
Okay. So if you increase your sales, if you increase your business, must have to Facebook page and Instagram. So also you have already Facebook page and Instagram page.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
So I know that you want to manage these two platform, Facebook and Instagram. So here is your Facebook page. I already seen 26 reviews. Okay, that's good for your business. Then your setup is already okay. This is your description, your about 30,167 follow.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to increase your business, first thing you should be increase your follower, because if you post after sometime after 1 month, if you want to post your Facebook page, then they will see you in your business. So first we should to increase our follower. Okay, so if you hire me, but if you hire us, we have a agency. So just look it. This is our YouTube channel. So we have many clients of USA, of Canada, huge clients. So we have managed many clients. This is a USA client. USA client. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have very experience. We will increase your business day by day. If you hire me, if you hire us, we will manage your Facebook page and Instagram. We will increase your follower day by day. And you want to your audience nearly Southeast Asia, probably Laos, Thai, Vietnam, and Cambodia, right?
Yes.
So no problem. We will give you this audience. Then you can increase your business very, very comfortably. So how much your budget per month? Do you want to work with me, but with us monthly, or one project?
Okay. Thank you for the presentation. But before proceed to the budget, I would like to expand more, because the last time I contacted you, we
USD.
For how long?
1 month. For 1 month.
We can see
because
how about the result? Can you give me the result how many people or what? Can you send me like like proposal that you would maybe you told me yesterday that you would send me the proposal. Maybe you can send me first so I
Yes.
will say yes or no.
If you give us 100, so then we will increase your follower first. We will increase your follower, increase 2000 follower, increase first. Then we will first schedule. We will schedule first in your face every week 3 post. Okay, let's see. You now your follower is 30,167 people. So if you hire us, then this will be increase 5,000. Okay, and increase your Instagram follower, and we will schedule post weekly 3 post. We include your content, your picture, your keyword, because you know that keyword is very effective for every business. Because if people type keyword in Google, in Facebook, then they will search, get your business. So a keyword is most important for every company, every NGO. I know that. So first, you can see this is my profile. This is our NGO profile. We have completed 100 plus work with American buyer, Canadian buyer, UK buyer, Puerto Rico buyer, everything we have worked already. You can see this is 5-star, all 5-star review, because they have very satisfied for our work. So no problem. You will believe me. You will believe us. Just hire us, then you can see our result, you can see our work, you can see everything. No problem. You can give me your project confidently. We will work hardly, because we are a full-time freelancer. We are a full-time worker. Do you satisfied for my speech?
Yes, I'm very appreciate about that. Very appreciate about your presentation.
Your opinion in Rakib in his WhatsApp. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And yeah, and I'm very happy also that you guys contact me. I'm very good. Take care.
You are very friendly. You are very most. You are grateful. So thank you very much. Join with us. So I hope we will work with you if you want.
Yes, let's see. And because it's not on my decision directly, but
No
you
problem.
mentioned me that you also guys have the YouTube channel.
Yes, I have a
Yes.
YouTube channel, and we will work for monetization for YouTube. If you want to SEO, if you want to your SEO of YouTube channel video, no problem. We can work channel SEO, video SEO, and full monetization.
Yeah.
1K subscribe and 4K watch time, 4K hours watch time. No problem.
It's not again the YouTube policy, right? Because I wanted to share, but now I'm working Malaysian, but I'm not sure I can talk about this or not. I'm not working on Google, but I'm working for a subcontract or some company. So
we also work Google all campaign. I can expert Google search campaign, display campaign, shopping campaign, YouTube ads campaign. we have many project for YouTubers campaign. Okay.
Yeah, maybe because I'm working for YouTube. We review the YouTube, video and in Malaysian. Maybe like keep in touch. Maybe you guys need my help, or maybe we can team up something. Because I was a band behind, review with a video and thing like that. So if you can have any help or channel was try or reject or which policy that you are concerned, or maybe I can be assistant or whatever, in future I can talk about it. Yeah.
Yes. Anytime you can just knock us. We are active. Okay,
Yes.
thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. I think I need to go now because yeah, it's late time here already. Okay.
Okay.
So what's your names again? Omar and Rakib.
My name is Faruk, and his
Faruk.
name Rakib.
Raki. Okay.
Are you Muslim or Christian?
No. I don't have religion actually. But I was born with Buddha, but I'm not really Buddha, so I free and non religious. So
because Malaysian is a Muslim country, that's why I have asked you.
yeah, but I just live in Laos, but I moved here for working for 1 year, and I think I need to get back, say working and traveling the same time. So, yeah.
No, we all men, we are human.